Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 4, Journal of Standard 11th Commerce, Subject Account. Today we are going to see all the transactions together. Until today we have learned plenty different type of transaction, and that 1 to 10 part is already linked in the description, and this is the 11th part of the same chapter. And here we are going to see all inclusive transaction in one sum. So here is your sum. Record the following transaction in the Journal of Sri Omkar Traders. So here journal entry in the books of Omkar Traders, and very first date is 2014 October 1st. So here 2014 October 1st. And first transaction is a business is commenced with introduction of cash 40,000, furniture of 10,000, stock of 8,000 and 8% loan of Pragna rupees 20,000. So here cash, furniture and stock are the assets. So all assets are going to be debit, and 8% Pragna's loan is a liability. So that is going to be credit, and difference of that will be the capital that brought by a partner. Cash account debit, furniture account debit, goods account debit, to 8% loan of Pragna account, to capital account. So here cash is a 60,000, furniture is of 10,000, goods is of 8,000, and 20,000 is loan of Pragna. So difference of this will be 58,000 will be treated as a capital. Being to commence business, the business, cash of rupees 60,000, furniture of rupees 10,000, goods of rupees 8,000 and loan of Pragna rupees 20,000 drawn. So for that. Now let's see the second transaction. Second transaction is at the time of inaugural of shop, paid for ice cream and other expense rupees 3,500. So here inaugural of shop won't be a recurring expense. So that expense we are doing very often. So for that we can prepare a account that is called sundry expense account. We don't have to open separate account for that. So here we are going to debit sundry expense account debit to cash account. That journal entry we are going to pass. Sundry expense account debit to cash account 3,500 being so here we paid for ice cream and other expense. Other expenses for inaugural. account with Bank of Baroda by depositing rupees 25,000 in cash. So here cash is going out of the business. So cash account is going to be credit, and the bank is a receiver of the cash. So bank account is going to be debit. That bank account debit to cash. That journal entry we are going to pass. Being deposit rupees 25,000 to open bank account. Now, the fourth transaction is electronic weighing machine purchased for rupees 4,000. So as we know and we have discussed before that whatever measuring unit we are buying for the business, for that dead stock account debit to cash, that journal entry is supposed to be passed. So here for fourth transaction we are going to pass the journal entry dead stock account debit to cash account, and the amount is a 4,000. B. Electronic weight machine purchase for cash. So that is for that. Now let's see the next transaction. Fifth, machine of rupees 5,000 is purchased from Nauka Tailors and paid machine installation charge of 500. So machine we are purchasing and whatever expense we are making for the purchase of the machine, that is debiting to the machine account. So here machine account is going to be debit by 5,500, and we haven't paid to the Nauka Traders. So the Nauka Traders account is going to be credit, and installation charges we have paid, that is rupees 500. So for that cash account is going to be credit. So our journal entry will be machine account debit to Nauka Traders to cash. Here Nauka Traders will be 5,000, cash will be 500, and total will be 5,500. B. Machine purchase from Nauka Traders and installation charge paid. For that. Now let's see the transaction number 8. Goods of rupees 10,000 are purchased from Simon Traders at 10% trade discount and 50 paid for carriage. So here we can pass combined journal entry as well as separate journal entry. So here we have purchased goods of rupees 10,000 at 10% trade discount. So our purchase account debit will be 9,000. 10,000 minus 1,000. So it will be 9,000. So purchase account debit, and again carriage paid rupees 50. For that carriage account debit 50, and to Simon Traders to cash, that journal entry we are going to pass. purchase account debit, carriage account debit, to C1 traders account, to cash account. So here for purchase it will be 9,000 and for carriage it will be 50, and for C1 traders it will be 9,000 and for cash it will be 50, being goods of rupees 10,000 purchased at 10% trade discount from C1 traders, and rupees 50 paid for carriage. So for that. Now let's see the next transaction. House rent paid rupees 7,000 and life insurance paid rupees 1,200 by check. So here house rent is drawing and life insurance is also drawing, but house rent is paid by cash and life insurance is paid by check. So here drawing account debit to cash to bank, that journal entry we are going to pass. So here house rent we have paid by cash 7,000 and 1,200. It is paid by check. So total will be 8,200, being house rent of rupees 7,000 and life insurance of rupees 1,200 paid. So for that. Now let's see the transaction number 12. Goods of rupees 5,000 sold to Akash at 10% trade discount, 10% cash discount will be allowed if due paid in 10 days. That means Akash hasn't paid anything. So right now we are not going to pay any cash discount. So here the journal entry will be Akash traders account debit to sales, and the amount will be 4,500. 10% of 500 we are going to 10% of 5,000 we are going to deduct, and amount will be 4,500. So journal entry will be Akash traders account debit to sales, and here 4,500. 4,500 being goods of rupees 5,000 sold to Akash traders at 10% trade discount. So for that, student, you may note down this, and next transaction we are going to see afterwards. Date number 15. Akash traders paid half amount by check for transaction of date 12. So here Akash traders supposed to pay 4,500. From that he is paying half amount, that is 2250. So we are going to give him cash discount on that as we have promised him. So here he has paid half amount and he has paid by check. So bank account is going to be debit cash discount account, debit to Akash Traders. Bank account debit, cash discount account debit to Akash Traders account. Here he has paid half of 4,500, that will be 2,250, and on that he is going to get the discount of 225. So he is going to pay us 2,050 rupees. So here through bank we are going to get the check of rupees 2,025. Okay. So here bank account debit by 2,025 and discount account 225 and 2,250 being Akash Traders paid half amount by check. For that cash discount allowed. So that. Now let's see the next transaction. Next transaction is Akash Traders has returned back goods of rupees 700. So that is a sales return. For sales return account debit to Akash Traders. That journal entry we are going to pass. Akash Traders account debit to sales return account, and that will be 700 being goods of rupees 700 returned by Akash Traders. Now on date number 20, rupees 2,000 withdrawn from Bank of Baroda for shop expense. So here we have withdrawn from bank. So cash is going to come in the business. So cash account debit to bank, that journal entry we are going to pass. Cash account debit to Bank of Baroda account. Rupees will be 2,000. Rupees will be 2,000 being rupees 2,000 withdraw from bank. Now let's see the 21. Goods of rupees 6,000 purchased from our traders at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. Half amount paid in cash. So here we have purchased goods for that 10% trade discount. So purchase account debit to our traders to cash discount. That journal entry we are going to pass. The journal entry will be purchase account debit. Purchase account debit to our traders account to cash account and to cash discount account. So here goods of rupees 6,000 that for 10% trade discount. So that goods we have purchased on 5,400. From that half amount we haven't paid. So that will be 2,700, and we have taken the discount of 5%. Sorry. So 5% discount will be 135, and the amount that we have paid will be 2565. So here, this journal entry we are going to pass. Being goods of rupees 6,000 purchased from Amar Traders at 10% trade discount and half amount paid for that. Next transaction is goods of rupees 500 is donated to Mega Vikas Group. For that, donation account debit to purchase. That journal entry we are going to pass. And here the amount is a 500. Being goods of rupees 500 given for donation. So for that. Now let's see 25th. Goods of rupees 150 distributed as free sample. For that, advertisement account debit to purchase. That journal entry we are going to pass. And the amount is a rupees 150. Being goods of rupees 150 given for free sample. Now let's see the date number 26. An order is issued to Vikas Agency for goods of rupees 3,000. So an order is a non-economic transaction. So here it is non-economic transaction. Now let's see date number 28. The business owner withdrawn goods of rupees 2,000 and paid tuition fee of son rupees 800 from business. So here drawing account debit to purchase to cash. That journal entry we are going to pass. For date number 28, drawing account debit to purchase account to cash account. Here, as we know that the withdrawal of goods is rupees 2,000 and tuition fee is of 800. So total of that will be 2,800 will be drawing. Being goods of rupees 2,000, goods of rupees 2,000 and tuition fee of rupees 800 withdrawn from business. So now interest of 3 months paid on loan of Pragna. So here interest when we are paying, it is our expense. So interest on loan of Pragna account debit to cash, that journal entry we are going to pass, and we have to count the interest on 20,000 at the rate of 8% for 3 months. That also we are going to count. Okay. So here journal entry will be interest on loan account debit to cash account. And here let's calculate interest. So here amount is a 20,000 and percentage is 8% upon 100 and the month is a 3 month. So here we can calculate the 4 3 12. So here the interest amount will be 400, and here being rupees 400 interest paid on loan of Pragna for 3 months at the rate of 8%. So here it will be 400. So here our sum is finished. So we have to make the total, and the total of the sum is 1,52,550. 1,52,550. So this is the total. So you may note down this in your notebook. Thank you students for watching this video.